Alright, it is finished. The top coat's pretty much dried on it. It's still soft enough that I can buff it a bit. And I did set the snap. So you got the belt loop here with a little snap on it. Snap's a little bit stiff yet, but it'll loosen up a little bit with use. And it's made to fit a, whoopsie, 1.5 inch double layer belt, and it is an inside the waistband. And well, that's it. Got the shine on it there, and you can see I put my little bear print right in there. Now, being that it's Memorial Day weekend, we won't be able to send this out until Tuesday, but it's ready to go. And now I'm ready to start my next project.